Penguin Air and Plumbing has been doing plumbing for about 5 years now. We have a great staff on that side that's dedicated to just plumbing. Our plumbers don't also do air conditioning or electrical. We hire and train plumbers. We can take care of every problem, nothing too small, nothing too big. And we have great customer service and a Penguin experience to back that up to make sure the job's done right and you're a happy customer.